The sinking of the Titanic on the night of April 14, 1912, remains one of the most tragic and significant events in maritime history. The Titanic, a massive and opulent ship on its maiden voyage from Southampton, England to New York City, collided with an iceberg in the North Atlantic Ocean. The impact caused the ship's forward compartments to flood, leading to a rapid and irreversible demise. Efforts were made to save the passengers and crew aboard the Titanic. The crew closed watertight doors and attempted to pump water out of the affected compartments. However, the extent of the damage became apparent, and it became clear that the ship was destined to sink. The ship's captain, Edward Smith, ordered the evacuation, but the available lifeboats were insufficient for everyone on board. As the situation worsened, the bow of the Titanic began sinking, while the stern rose higher into the air. This made it challenging for those remaining on the ship to access the remaining lifeboats. Eventually, the ship broke in two, and both halves sank separately into the depths of the ocean. The sinking of the Titanic lasted approximately 2 hours and 40 minutes. Unfortunately, many passengers and crew members were still on board during this time, either trapped in flooded areas or unable to reach the lifeboats. The frigid water temperatures further reduced their chances of survival. The tragedy of the Titanic has captivated people worldwide for over a century. It has inspired numerous books, movies, and documentaries, recounting tales of heroism and survival. The disaster also prompted significant changes in maritime safety regulations, such as the requirement for sufficient lifeboats on all ships and the establishment of the International Ice Patrol to monitor iceberg hazards in the North Atlantic. In conclusion, the sinking of the Titanic claimed the lives of over 1,500 people and left an indelible mark on history. The ship's rapid descent into the icy waters and the subsequent loss of life have resonated throughout the years. The sinking of the Titanic serves as a reminder of the fragility of human endeavors and the importance of safety measures in the maritime industry.